Thursday, she could always throw her legs up in the air, higher than any of us. And wider.
I'm never hidden behind closed doors, but I am discreet.
Discreet? You did everything but lick his artichoke.
F*** you.
Where's my Dickie? Sorry, where's my husband?
I will not have you in the course of a single evening besmirching that name by behaving like a babbling, bumbling band of baboons.
Aren't they pathetic? They really look as if they could do with a good meal. Not to speak of a bath.
I love the classics. And I love this rich taste. How can one describe such classic richness? Shakespeare would have put it so well. Is there a sonnet to richness, to stir the emotions and stimulate the senses? This richness so deep, this richness so...
Why use 50 words when 2 say it all? Max richness.
Vulgarity is no substitute for wit.
Well, you started it.
It's very middle class.
I would do that if I were you. Bates, why are you wearing that cape?
Capes are cool, your dowagership.
I think it's rather fetching.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been working around for a very long time before Downton Abbey. And, you know, life was fine. Nobody knew who the hell I was.